Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is an open-source Java-based framework used to create standalone, production-grade Spring applications with minimal configuration. It is built on top of the Spring framework and aims to simplify the process of setting up and developing new Spring applications. Key features of Spring Boot. 1. Convention over configuration. Spring Boot reduces the need for boilerplate code by providing default configurations for common scenarios. 2. Embedded servers. It comes with embedded servers like Tomcat, Jetty, or Undertow, allowing you to run your application without needing to deploy it to an external server. 3. Auto configuration. Spring Boot automatically configures your application based on the dependencies present in the class path. 4. Production-ready features. It includes features such as health checks, metrics, and externalized configuration, making it easy to deploy and manage applications in production. 5. Spring Initialized, a web-based tool that allows developers to quickly generate a Spring Boot project structure with the necessary dependencies. Setting up Spring Boot. To start using Spring Boot, you can use the Spring Initializer to bootstrap your project. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a simple RESTful web service. Step 1. Create a Spring Boot project. 1. Go to the Spring Initializer, https://start.spring.io. 2. Choose the following options. Project, Maven project. Language, Java. Spring Boot, 2.7.0, or the latest. Packaging, jar. Java, 11, or your preferred version. 3. In the Dependencies section, add Spring Web. Spring Boot Dev Tools, optional for development. 4. Click on Generate to download the project zip file. 5. Extract the zip file to your preferred location. Step 2. Import the project into your IDE. Open your favorite IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or VS Code. Import the extracted project as a Maven project. Step 3. Create a simple REST controller. Now, let's create a simple RESTful web service that returns a greeting message. 1. Navigate to the src/main/java/com/example/demo directory. 2. Create a new Java class named Greeting Controller. Here's how the Greeting Controller class will look. Java. Package com example.demo. Import org.springframework.web.bind.annotation.getMapping. Import org.springframework.web.bind.annotation.requestparam. Import org.springframework.web.bind.annotation.restController. At REST controller. Public class greeting controller. At getMapping, /greet. Public string greet, at requestparam, value equals name, default value equals world, string name. Return hello, plus name plus. Step 4, running the application. 1. Locate the main application class demo application in the same directory. It should look like this. Java. Package com example.demo. Import org.springframework.boot.spring application. Import org.springframework.boot.autoconfigure.springboot application. At Spring Boot application. Public class demo application. Public static void main, string args. Spring application.run, demo application.class, args. To run the application. You can do this by right-clicking on the demo application class and selecting run or using the command line. Bash /mvnw Spring Boot run. Step 5, testing the REST API. Once the application is running, you can test the REST API using your web browser or a tool like Postman. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 8080/greet. You should see "Hello, world." To personalize the greeting, you can append a name parameter to the URL, like so. http://localhost 8080/greet, name equals John. This will return "Hello, John." Conclusion. Spring Boot simplifies the development of Java applications by providing a range of features and configurations out of the box. In this tutorial, we created a simple RESTful web service using Spring Boot, showcasing how easy it is to set up and run a new application. You can expand on this simple application by adding more features, integrating with databases, or leveraging Spring security for authentication and authorization, among other things. Spring Boot's extensive documentation and community support make it a great choice for building modern applications.